Breast cancer is not just one disease. There are many different types of breast cancer, and breast cancer really can present as any one of a spectrum of different syndromes. We subdivide breast cancer based on the cell of the breast, which is the cell of origin of the tumor, and we divide those types of cancers into ductal and lobular cancers. The ductal carcinomas arise from the ducts that are inside the breast and that carry the milk from the lobules to the nipples. Lobular carcinoma is a cancer that arises in the lobule. That's one way to differentiate breast cancers, but really the most important way for us to think about the different types of breast cancer is to look at the biologic characteristics of these cells. A very important difference between breast cancer subtypes is whether or not those cells in the tumor have receptors for the hormones estrogen and progesterone. We call that ER and PR. So if a tumor is positive for these hormone receptors, estrogen receptor and progesterone receptor, that tells us that this is the type of cancer that may have developed because of some hormonal factors in a woman's body, and also this is a very good biologic target for us in the treatment of breast cancer. Another very important subtype of breast cancer is the type of breast cancer which overexpresses a molecule which we call HER2/neu. This molecule, which is present on some normal cells, can be amplified. That is, it can be expressed at a very, very high level in some breast cancers. Probably about 25% of cancers have this elevated HER2/neu level. When this is present, the cells have a more aggressive behavior at the outset, but with treatment, which is targeted specifically to this HER2 molecule, we can really achieve excellent results with treatment. Another type of breast cancer is the type that doesn't have any of these receptors. So we call that negative for ER and PR and the HER2/neu receptor, and sometimes that's referred to as triple negative breast cancer. This type of breast cancer does not have biologic targets for therapy, so we have to think about other kinds of treatment for triple negative breast cancer.